Our lives are stories of many mysteries, if you please. Don't take my word for it, till the tale with angels lit. Remember back, begin at birth, and think about memories of worth. These are the stories of making spells in the kitchen baking. Moments of time, action, feelings of satisfaction. Sounds so silky sweet, sensations of texture neat. The pounding of exciting beats, recollections of these treats. The collections of these treats, they linger even after death arrives. These are the stories of our lives. What dreams may come, we are the living some high rise. Even after death arrives, high rise. These are the stories of our lives. When mom taught us to talk, when dad helped us to walk, how we began to write and draw, lessons learned from every fall. These are the stories of our lives. What dreams may come, we are the living some high rise. Even after death arrives, high rise. These are the stories of our lives. When mom taught us to talk, when dad helped us to walk, how we began to write and draw, lessons learned from every flaw. These are the stories of our lives. What dreams